Hi everyone, Merry Christmas! Wishing you guys a happy holiday with your family. My name is Thuong and we are here in Dragon Breath, Danang City, Vietnam. As you can see, in today's video, I will talk about what I did on Christmas Day and how does the city I live in decorate for Christmas. Let's go! Da Nang is a big city in Vietnam, but it does not have as many Christmas decorations as other cities. In Da Nang, it has been raining continuously for 2 weeks, so the Christmas atmosphere here is not bustling. Only some hotel or coffee shop have Christmas decoration. Last year, Cruz and I went on a trip to Taiwan, and the Christmas decoration there was amazing. Oh my god, I was very surprised by that. It was also raining at that time, but I saw a lot of people. Not like now in Da Nang. This year, it's just me in Vietnam, Cruz in America. It rains all the time, so I feel even more lonely, but it's okay. We will see each other in just a few weeks. How is Christmas where you are? Tell me in the comment. Thank you. This place doesn't have many Christmas decorations, so come with me to visit the night market nearby. This place is about 100 meters from Dragon Breath. Its name is Chontra Night Market. This market is open from 5 p.m. to midnight. The market is divided into 2 main areas, food and souvenir. In the food area, you can buy Da Nang special food such as seafood, noodle, and many other famous Vietnamese foods. In the souvenir area, you can buy clothes, bag, candy, and more. Today, I feel like I am making a night market video, not a Christmas video. But it's okay, let's go! We will go to the food area first. As you can see, There are many food stores here. Half are dishes made from seafood. I filmed a lot of video here. I brought my mom and my friend here, but I don't like the food here very much. It's expensive and not delicious. I know many cheap and delicious restaurants, so that's probably why I don't like the food here. Oh, I remember. There is still a shop that I like. That shop sells dumplings. It's really delicious. You can try them when you come here. If you want to know the name of delicious and cheap restaurant in Danang, tell me and I will send you the information. I didn't eat anything today. Next time, I will take you to a place that sells better food. Okay? And you can also try ice cream here. It's okay. Price is about 1.2 US dollar, and they sell them whole year. You can eat every time. And the next, we will go to the souvenir area. As you can see, they sell a lot of things: bag, clothes, candy, hat, and so much more. The price of these items is not too expensive, but when you buy, you have to pay a lower price. Buy it for less than half or a third of the price they say. For example, if an item costs $2 US, you can buy it for $1 or $1.5. You can try massage service here. Price okay and service very good. My mom and I tried it before. 30 minutes massages for $2 US per one person. had found a jewelry store. I just picked out an earring that I love. Its price is about 80 US cents. Look pretty good, right? I will buy it. It will be my Christmas present. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. Wishing everyone a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and see you in the next video. Bye!